fight for freedom wherever there's trouble.
Pray safe, everybody. The Recon has passed away. I have jammed it.
The darting, look at that.
Oh my god. Jesus, man. How have you done that?
Alright guys, how we doing? It's Red here. Just finished from Battle Royale 3. And the dead blaster. As you can see, I've got a dart jammed. Sharon! I'll get Twitch running in the background there, but see that? Got a dart trapped in there. And I need to free it. I really don't want to try opening this, but I think I might have. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Good try filming this while I repair it.
Yuri, how much of a slap did you get yesterday, by the way?
Whoa! I did not realise I mangled that dart. As bad as that, that is. Oh, big taste. It closed. It's alive! So, I have freed the mangled dart. And that's never getting used again. It's going straight in the bin. Just be careful with your darts, guys. Holy moly. It's actually not even any mad darts, that's from FDT. But yes, it lives!